Hello everyone, myself Apurva Tambe. Today I am here to present the presentation on strategic management subject, and my topic name is pestle analysis, presented to Assistant Professor Miss Rui Thakur ma'am. Moving to the next slide, introduction about the pestle. Pestle analysis is a framework or tool used by the marketers to analyze and monitor the macro-environmental factor that have an impact on the organization. The pestle stands for political, economical, social, technological, legal, and environmental. Moving to the next slide, P stands for political factor. The political environment can have an important impact on the organization. Factors such as government stability, policies, regulation, and taxes can influence the company's operation, profit, and growth prospect. Moving to the next slide, economic factor. The economic environment can impact the demand for a company's product and services as well as its operating costs. The key economic factor including inflation, interest rate, exchange rate, and economic growth. Moving to the next slide, S, social factor. The social environment includes the value, the belief, and the behaviors of the people in the specific region or market. It can impact on organization customer behavior and their demands for the specific product and services. The social factor can impact on the lifestyle, educational level, religion and belief, social class, and buying habit of the consumer. Moving to the next slide, technological factor. The technological environment can have a major impact on organization, particularly in industries that are rapidly changing to the advancement in technology. This can create a new opportunity for companies but also present challenges such as increased competition and the need for the continued innovation and innovation. Moving to the next slide, environmental factor. The environmental factor can impact on the organization, operation, and reputation, as well as create a new regulation and cost. This can include the factors such as climate changes, sustainability, eco-production, pollutions, natural disaster, etc. Moving to the next slide, L stands for legal factor. The legal environment include a wide range of law and regulation that can impact on organization, including a labor law, health and safety regulation, government rules, duties, and taxes. It importance of companies to be aware of changes in the legal environment and to assure they follow up and to assure and they follow applicable law and regulation. This is all are the information about the pestle analysis. Thank you.